that the raccoon can eat. Do you want to eat lunch now? Well, I really want to try now.
Hey, Will, go get it.
Open the lid.
Go see who's in there.
Yeah.
I'm eating my lunch. Leave me alone.
Yeah. Oh, I really want to try.
What's your name? What's your name?
Can you give him a kiss? Aww.
I'm Rita Raccoon. What's your name?
Can I try one?
What do you want?
I want to try it.
Can I
His
give
name
you a
is
kiss?
Will. His name is Will.
Come here a minute. I want to. I like your cocoa on your lips.
No.
You have cocoa on your lips. Let me have some more.
His name is Will. His name's Will.
Who are you?
My name's Carley.
Carley, come here.
No, not now.
Do you have any leftovers on your lips?
Nope.
Let me taste. Let me smell.
No. You go. No.
Okay, I'm going back into my can to get some more goodies. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.